Hello, I am Linga, and today I'll be sharing with you our quarantine experience. We have selected the standard package, and I have been assigned to EB's KLCC. So, this is the process. First, you make the payment outside the hotel, and then you are allowed to grab your dinner to the rooms. As we arrived the hotel pretty late, around 12 midnight, so the dinner was already prepared in takeaway packages. So we bring it up directly to our room and we head straight to our room. And next we will move towards the room tour. This is the hotel room. This is the toilet, shower, toiletries. That's it. This is the bed, the size of the television. There is a mini fridge right here. The working table and some Kuala Lumpur night view. You can see that they have international wall plug, however it doesn't quite fit the Swiss plug. If you look at what I'm holding here, it actually has two holes in the middle, which is missing. They actually do have USB plug for direct charging as well. Oh yes, besides that, do not forget your multi-plug. Activity day 1, it's to fix the Switch and start shopping for new games so that we get to play. And that's him shopping for game. And there you go, purchasing new games. Guess what we have been doing? It's been a really long day. The hotel is so far okay. We were served mainly Malaysian cuisine. So we had the lunch, which is curry with fish, right?
Mm-hmm.
And
Fried fish.
curry with fried fish and
Siu bak choy.
yes, correct. And the other time we were just chilling on the bed. There's not a lot of space in the room to hang around, and we were playing game actually. So we bought a game as we said in the morning, and then now we are playing.
Playing tools up.
We show you.
Here we reach level 15. So now next one we're going up to level 16. Bye.
You given a blueprint, and then he is walking there to collect the blueprint. And then you are told what to do, right? So this map asks us to carpet the bedroom, and there you go, the carpet has arrived. And then you have to collect it from the delivery man and start doing what the task is given. So this particular level, you have 6 minutes. And sometimes you have to clear up the wallpaper, the old ones or old tiles, and you recarpet them. This map is relatively easy. As you see, he can just go ahead and carpet things, and he will be really busy because I'm just standing there not doing anything. So that's what we will serve tonight, and you can see this chicken with a mixed veggie together with watermelon. So we are given this bag. It means clinical waste to be disposed by incineration, and it's dangerous by the government of Malaysia. And what you do is to actually place all your food waste. Plenty of plastic bag, no choice, because of COVID-19 they were doing a precaution, and then anything that you want to throw, you put it in, and then they will dispose of accordingly for you. Sometimes I think I am like the COVID-19 ourselves. Here I brought my own dishwashing detergent and I clean the plastic boxes after every meal. And what I do with this is that I dry them separately. So all this I bring it with me when I check out to be donated or to be sent to the recycling facility. I think being a Malaysian, eating is really important, and here I show you a series of photos of what was being served to us. Mainly the meal are repetitive, however you usually get a cup with protein and vegetables. Taste wise is okay. When we started eating we were really excited, however towards the end we were quite bored with the same flavor. As we had our lunch really late, we didn't have our dinner on time as well. So I'm going to introduce you my mini rice cooker. So I'm heating up our dishes. See the chicken and the vegetables and the rice underneath. So there are two functions right here. Basically, the rice cooking function and the rice warming function. I just on it on cook, and later it will switch to warm automatically when it's heated up. Perfect. So what you do if you're oversleep, reheat them. And we have hot milk. When the pasta is bland, we have our own pepper and sea salt. Also, we can add our own cream cheese in. Ta-da! So when you're bored with the food here, you try to make your own dish, right? So I'm trying to fried rice with the existing sauce that they give. And we were lucky to have soy sauce with chili padi this morning from the breakfast. So add some chili padi soy sauce into the rice and the chicken. And then stir fry them in the rice cooker. Ta-da! There you go. A way to change the flavor. I was most grateful of the ability of my family to deliver things for me. So I had like pillows delivered, my snacks craving being satisfied as well. And of course, indulgence with lots of Malaysian or Asian cup noodles. So especially here you see we are making Maggi curry and Maggi tom yum. You know, especially we are working with the European time zone. So we couldn't really catch up with the timing of the food delivered. So it's also crucial to actually have some instant food with you to eat out of the normal meal serving hours. Actually, the hotel also allows external food delivery. However, there are a list of restaurants that you can choose from, and it's only delivered from 5 p.m. onwards once per day. There is also a list of items that you can order from a nearby mini mart called A Mart. When you contact them via WhatsApp, they would give you a full list of items. Everything on the list for me is very sufficient for the entire quarantine. A lot of selection. Happy fridge! So got ourselves coconut water, La Juicera juice, some Yakult. In order to keep our sanity in a small space, it's also crucial to keep the environment clean. As we do not have a lot of space, we spend most of our time on the working desk or on the bed. So we change our bed sheet in the middle of quarantine just to give ourselves a bit of things to do as well as to give a more comfortable environment. One of my favorite activity is to open the door non-stop, actually checking when the food will arrive. Don't tell me you didn't do that. I think exercise is also very crucial here as we are in a very small space. We are basically sitting half of the day or lying on the bed in fact, so not a lot of movement. So keeping ourselves moving it's also very important. So you can see us able to move even in a very small and restricted space. Let's get moving and don't get lazy. Oh my god, die. Oh my god. As the air in the hotel can be pretty dry, with the air conditioner, you can do some masks and drink lots of water. Finally, it's our turn to do the COVID-19 test, and we were ushered down by the KKM officer, and then you go through a queue to make a payment for your swab test. After payment, you would be ushered towards a dedicated area where the KKM officer would call your name for your turn for swab test. Here you see Ivan at his dedicated area for swab test, and I was assigned to another KKM officer. The process is fast and efficient. As you can see, there's a huge team of KKM officer involved in the process. Today is the last day and we are ready to check out. So before we leave, we just make sure we bring everything away, clean out all the rubbish. Like this, we should also throw it away. Make sure you don't leave things behind. You know, all waste that we generated are actually considered dangerous, and it's clinical waste, and they actually incinerate. So it's really essential not to produce extra waste and unnecessary waste. Yeah. So I actually will definitely miss this very nice view out from the room, but I'm sure it's definitely better getting to walk out there rather than watching it from the inside of the room, right? And we are saying goodbye to the Hotel Ibis pink band. Bye bye! Finally, it's our turn to be discharged. You can see that as we were on 26th floor, it takes turn floor by floor, so we were one of the last to be discharged. Not to worry, because we are super excited to exit the hotel. So we go station by station, right? And the entire process is super systematic and organized. You will not get lost, and it is totally directed towards what are the documents which you need to submit, how to return room keys, and the entire process is governed. So do not worry about this. As we had a lot of luggages, so they actually helped us to push our trolley cart down already at the lobby. At the hotel lobby, there is a RELA officer where we have to show our clearance document, and finally, we are heading towards that fresh air and freedom. Yay! Yeah. Yeah, thank you. No. This is the release order that you will receive before you leave the hotel, and you should bring with you wherever you go. Yay! We are out! Officially out! Oh my god, I am home! Hello! Welcome me! Hello! I washed already, Lou. Hello! Cotton! Your snack is here! Hello, Cotton Snackoo! Thank you for watching. That summarizes our quarantine experience. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye bye!